Magandang hapon. Today is Sunday, mag-staycation tayo dito. Ayan, so dito lang yan sa Cainta Royal Palace. So, ayan yung McDonald's. And then doon yung pizza. So, there you go. Pasok na tayo sa guardhouse. So, ayan, mataas siya. Small unit lang. Small rice condo lang. So, yun yung swimming pool area. Ayan yung mga mailbox. So, this is Cainta Royal Palace. Yan. This is the lobby area. By the way, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everyone. Sunday, February 2nd, 2025. So, ilang floor? Good thing naman, kahit 6th floor lang siya, may elevator area. Yan. May elevator. So, ito na yun, ating staycation. Wow, ang ganda. Royal, thank you, Sister Eric at saka si Ma'am.
Hello, Ren.
Ren, ayan. Book nyo lang sila sa Airbnb. So, ayan, kumpleto naman ang amenities. May ref, may mineral water, and then rice cooker and the induction cooker. And then complete utensil na rin kung gusto nyo magluto.
May heater din tayo sa CR.
Heater?
Yeah.
Yeah, may heater din, hot. Ayan. May mga lamigin dyan, pwedeng hot. Ayan, may washing kung gusto nyo maglaba. Ayan, good for maximum nito ay 10 packs. So, ayan, book nyo lang sila sa Airbnb. Aside from Airbnb, wala na. Direct booking na sa Facebook. Ayan.
Airbnb.
Security. For security dapat, Tapos may extra bed. Ito yung sala. Ayan, and then may isang room dito. Siyempre, may TV, may wifi, may cable, may AC. Yan. So, yan. May cabinet din. Of course. Yan. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you for staying one night. Birthday gift. Happy birthday. Ayan po ang basement parking ng Royal. Kaintaran po sa amin. Kaway-kaway. Boto niyo si Councilor Eric. Hi guys, so we're here at Cainta Royal Place. So ayan, si Ellen. Ayan, mayroong miracle fruit doon. Ayan, hawa kami miracle fruit. That's miracle fruit na na-feature daw yan sa Jessica Soho. Yan, ang cute niya, miracle fruit. Yan, ang ating model, si Ellen Adarna. Ayan, so ang ganda ng staycation dito. So ito yung condo nila. Yan. So, we're here again at Cainta Royal Place in Cainta, Rizal, Philippines. Ayan, Cainta Royal Place. So, 6-story. So, small range siya. 6-story building. Yan. Yung pool area, dalawa. Isang pang adult. Tapos yung sa dulo, yung bilog, yung small doon. Yun yung pang, yan, pang kids pool. Taking square. That's for an adult. At ayan uli ang ating model for today, si Ellen Adarna, modeling the miracle fruit. Ayan, ang ganda ng punong yan. Paano kayo magtanim yan? Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Pakishare na lang. For inquiries, comment me. Comment lang sa baba. Okay? Thank you. Bye. So guys, eto na. Ang pinangako ko sa inyong swimming pool. So ito yung swimming pool area ng ayan, wala, akyat lang dyan. Dito lang tayo sa swimming pool area ng Cainta Royal. So, ayan. Wait lang, lang dito. Ayan, so that's it. Pool area, diba? Mamaya magsiswimming tayo dyan. Kakunti na si swimming. Sarap mag-swimming, ayan. Tapos, meron din ditong barbell. May comfort room. Ang pool area, diba? Tapos, doon ang function, I think function room. Mamaya akyatin natin yan. Ang galing Ang galing, may bunga siya. Ano kayang puno to? Yan. So yan yung house condo ng Cainta Royal Palace. There you go. So yan na yun. That's it. Ganda, diba? Okay, guys. Bye! Pasok na tayo sa loob. Hi, guys! So, we're here at Cainta Royal Place. So, ayan. So, ito yung roof deck area ng Cainta Royal Palace. Ay, Palace. Cainta Royal Place. So, ayan. Hanggang dulo lang yan. Puro sampayan. So, per area, ganyan. Puro sampayan. Maganda doon pag gabi. Oh, that's Antipolo already. So, let's go there. Overlooking, oo. Maganda dyan sa gabi. Kagabi na dyan kami. Overlooking dyan. So, ayan. So, galing na tayo ng roof deck. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung overlooking ng Antipolo. So, ito yung kabundukan ng Antipolo. Yan. Maganda yan sa gabi. Kagabi, andyan kami. So, overlooking. That's the Antipolo. And maybe itong bahay na to sa baba, ito yung St. Francis Village ng Cainta. St. Francis Subdivision ng Cainta Rizal. And then, overlooking is the bundok ng Antipolo, and I think Montalban yung kabila eh.
Hindi, Antipolo pa lang yan.
Antipolo pa rin yan. Ayan. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye guys. So yan, overlooking din dito. Ito yung likod ng condo. So there, ano na to? Hindi ko na alam kung ano yan. That's the bundok ng, I think Antipolo na yon. Yan, there. Ganda na overlooking. So dito na yung 6th floor. So, ayan. Nasa 6th floor na tayo. So, yun yung roof deck. So, ayan. Dito. At dito. So, on the 6th floor. Alright. Let's go na to our room. What? Ayun si ate. Oh, yun. Ayan. Can you open the door? Dahan-dahan lang, be. Ayan. Okay. So, here we are. Ang tagal ng pagupit. Ang harap dito. It's solar. So, you can open this. Yan. Para mas maliwanag. Yan. Yan. Thank you guys. Edit ulit. Edit. Bye. Thanks for watching.